going to tell you the story, The Boy Who Cried Wolf, with a twist. Let's start. Once there was a shepherd boy who had to look after a flock of sheep. One day, when his sheep were grazing in the meadow, he felt bored. He decided to do a trick on villagers. He shouted loudly, "Wolf, wolf! Wolf is chasing my sheep! Please help!" All the villagers rushed out of the village to help him. They asked the shepherd boy, "Where is the wolf?" The shepherd boy replied, "There is no wolf. I fooled all of you. Ha 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 ha." Some few days later, the shepherd boy repeated the same trick. All the villagers rushed out of the village to help him again. They asked the same question, "Where is the wolf?" The shepherd boy repeated, "Tell the answer, there is no wolf. I fooled all of you. Ha 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 ha." That time, all the villagers got angry by shepherd boy being naughty. After some days, a real wolf came there. Shepherd boy was scared. He was scared, and he shouted loudly, "Wolf, wolf! Wolf is chasing my sheep! Please help! Help!" But that time, no one came. But suddenly, Mowgli came there. He asked the shepherd boy, "What happened, my fellow? Why are you sad?" The shepherd boy narrated the whole incident. The Mowgli said, "Okay, I will serve that wolf." When Mowgli saw that wolf, he was relaxed because it was his friend Akela. He said to Akela, "Akela, Akela, stop chasing these sheep. These sheep are of my friends. Stop." Akela stopped chasing these sheep and went back to the jungle. Then, before going, Mowgli said to the shepherd boy that you should never lie or play tricks on others, then you will be in trouble like this. Finally, the shepherd boy learned a lesson and went happily to the barn with his sheep. Thank you. Have a nice